Good day everyone, I am Kimberly Gascon from BSCA 3D. Today, I will explain the double integration method. Pero before ako mag-proceed sa example, masisimplify muna natin yung solution para sa double integration. So, para masimplify, d2y over dx squared is equals to moment over ei is equals to y prime. Or, kung isi-simplify, yung ei i-multiply by y prime is equals to moment. The next is dy over dx is equals to m over ei is equals to y prime. Same lang naman ng value ng y prime at ng dy over dx. Ganun din ng y prime at ng d squared y over dx squared. So, let's go back. Dy over dx is equals to m over ei is equals to y prime. Or kung isi-simplify mo siya, ei, i-multiply mo by y prime is equals moment. Ito yung formula na gagamitin natin to solve slope. Then next, y is equals to m over ei. So, i-multiply natin yung ei sa y, kaya magiging ei y is equals to moment. Ito naman ang formula na ginagamit for deflection. For the problem example, determine the maximum deflection in a simple supported beam of length L carrying a uniformly distributed load of W Newton per meter applied over its entire length. So as you can see, nandyan yung figures. And let's solve. This is our solution. Since length and width ang given, we will substitute the moment into the W and L depending on the figure. So, ei y prime is equals to moment. Then it will become ei y prime is equals to WLX over 2 minus WX squared over 2. Then next, pero para makuha natin ang formula to compute deflection, kailangan muna natin i-integrate ang formula. So, from ei prime is equals to WLX over 2 minus WX squared over 2, magiging ei y prime is equals to WLX squared over 4 minus WX cubed minus 6 plus C1. It will be used to determine the slope. Then next, ei y is equals to WLX cubed over 12 minus WX4 raised to 4 over 24 plus C1x plus C2. Then, it will become our solution for the deflection. So next, hanapin natin yung value ng C sub 2 at ng C sub 1. So first, C sub 2. Kapag ang x ay 0 at ang y is equals to 0, the value of C sub 2 will be 0. Para makuha ang value ng C sub 1, isa-substitute natin yung x ng L over 2 at ng y prime ng is equals to 0. So, we will gonna be use y prime is equals to WLX squared over 4 minus WX cubed over 6 plus C sub 1. So, yun na nga, sa-substitute natin yung y prime as 0 is equals to WL over 4. Sa-substitute natin yung x ng L sub 2 is raised to 2 minus W over 6 times L over 2 raised to 3 plus C sub 1. Next, 0 is equals to WL raised to 3 kasi dito, dalawa yung L and plus 1L is equals to 3. That's why WL raised to 3 over 16. 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Minus WL raised to 3 over 48. Kasi yung 2, ita-times mo siya ng 3 beses sa sarili niya. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8, and 8 times 6 is equals to 48 plus C sub 1. So, yung value ng C sub 1 natin will be, negative WL cube over 24. So, kung isa-substitute na natin yung value ng C sub 1, ang magiging formula natin ay E I y is equals to WL x raised to 3 over 12 minus WX raised to 4 over 24 minus WL cube x raised to over 24 plus C sub 2. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin to find the deflection dun sa pinapahanap ng problem example. For the last part, hahanapin na natin yung maximum deflection ng example problem. So, EIY is maximum at x is equals to L over 2. Then, EIY, yung formula na na-conclude natin kanina, which is eto, ay isa-substitute natin yung x sa value ng L over 2. Kaya magiging EIY is equals to WL over 12 times L over 2 raised to 3 minus W over 24 times L over 2 raised to 4 minus WL cube over 24 times length over 2 plus C sub 2. Actually, yung C sub 2 dyan will be disregard due to the value of 0. So, lalagyan natin siya ng karas dahil yung value niya will be 0. So next, EIY is equals to WL raised to 4 since L raised to 3 is 3 plus 1, 4 over 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 times 12 is 96. That's why WL raised to 4 over 96 minus WL raised to 4 over 384 minus WL raised to 4 minus over 48. Then, EIY, isi-simplify natin siya sa mas simpleng solusyon. Hahanapin natin yung GCD, which is yung 384. Next, 384 divided by 96 is 4 times WL raised to 4 minus 384 divided by 384 is 1 times WL raised to 4 minus 384 divided by 48 is 8 times WL raised to 4. So, magiging EIY is equals to negative 5 WL4 over 384. I-divide natin both sides sa EI. So, cancel EI. Then, times EI. So, yun. Yung magiging value ng maximum Y or maximum deflection is equals to negative 5 WL raised to 4 over 384 EI downward, which is negative sign indicates downward deflection. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.